There are a lot of buy and sell indicators available on TradingView, but today I am going to share you one of the indicator that provides you with the simple buy and sell signals. Yes, guys, this is the free indicator that you can use for your on trading, and I will tell you today that how you can attach this indicator on your charts that provides you with easy access of the buy and sell signals in the form of short and long positions. And in the same video I will be going to provide you that how you can optimize your trading by using this strategy. So before I jump into this video, if you check the description of this video below, then you will find one website that is called fxmentorus.com. First of all, on our website you can watch and read about the predictions that we provide on a daily basis regarding gold and currency pairs, and you can learn a lot of things from our website. The second thing is the indicator section, and there are two indicators. These are our private indicators. The first indicator is the swing trading guru that provides you high quality buy and sell signals, and it works in forex stocks and everything. All details are provided on the website. The second indicator is the bank indicator, and you will find all information about the bank indicator. This indicator is purely developed on the basis of the price action. So if you're a price action trader, this is one of my top indicators. And the best seller is the 1 hour market maker coaching, because if you go to my websites, you will find a lot of reviews that we have received on our Telegram channel, and I have shared on the websites, because I teach how banks actually trade. If you don't know that how banks operate, it means that you know nothing, because the market is not just the indicator game. We should have a lot of information to trade the market, and that's what I teach in my 1 hour market maker coaching session. And if you want to book any of these indicators, and if you want to book the market maker session, then you can contact on Telegram and email. All of the details are provided in the description of this video below. Moreover, guys, if you want to join the best broker, then when you visit fxmentorus.com, you will find a banner here. You just need to click the get started. This is the broker that I'm using from 2015. This is one of the highly trusted, regulated, with fast deposit and withdrawal methods broker available on the web, and I have provided its banner on my website, and you can simply join that broker. Okay, guys, so when we talk about this strategy, so first of all, I'm going to remove it from the indicator section, and then we will come up and we will attach this indicator again. So you need to write simple buy. When you write simple buy sell buy slash sell on TradingView, then this indicator is by someone that is called YVES65, and you can see this is the new stuff that we have only just 33 likes on this indicator. This is not a type of indicator that is overloaded by and used by a lot of traders. So this is the new thing, and you can simply make yourself a part of this indicator, and you can simply attach this indicator by simple buy sell by YUV. Okay, now if you want to use, then my recommendation is the moving average exponential. Otherwise, you can use the other indicators as well. That's not a problem. So just change the length to 200, and going into the style section here, you are going to give it a white color, the third level of thickness, and now you can see our trading setup is completely ready to trade. Okay, yes, you can see some labels here, so we can remove those labels. Like, for example, if we go and uncheck the labels, now you can see our setup is completely ready. So basically 200 EMA is attached to find the direction of the trend. Now you can see the price is moving up, and we will ignore the short signals, and we will only take the long signals. So let's analyze it on more pairs. Okay, so you can see that was a short chance. It was good for scalping, but later on the market comes up, and you can take that long because the price action is above the 200 EMA. You can take that one. Let's have a look on gold. Yes, yeah, we have a short signal, but always, guys, be careful about one thing, that immediately never enter into any trade. Always look for a proper breakout below, and then you can take your trade. Like, this is the proper breakout, and we have a buy signal here, somewhere here, not here. So the signals that are coming right on the lines that you can see here on the 200 EMA line, so never trust those signals. like we cannot trust this one because it's very close to that one. Okay, we cannot trust that one because it's very close. So always wait for the proper breakout to be sure. Like for example, the long signal was, if you look at the candle, this candle, okay, so you can take the entry from the next candle, because if we mark this area, then you can see that was the resistance that is broken, and now you can take your entry, and now you can see the price simply moved into the upper direction. Okay, now guys, this is one of the free indicator that is available on web, and most of the traders have no idea about it. And now you can see why this long position has not worked, because the price is below the 200 EMA. So just use this indicator, practice on demo account, and you will get the trades like this, like short and it's down. And make sure that you are going to subscribe the FX Mentor US YouTube channel, because a lot of interesting content is going to be uploaded on a daily basis. So be a part of FX Mentor US community. And second thing, guys, join the best broker if you want our indicators, private indicators here. And if you want to book your coaching, then please visit our website, that is fxmentorus.com. Please like, subscribe, and share.